Shots fired! Shots fired!
April 18th, Jacksonville, Florida. Hospitals are supposed to be safe zones, but for law enforcement, they're high-stakes targets. A white sedan has been circling the lot for 10 minutes, a massive tactical red flag. These officers are rolling up on a situation that's about to explode.
Stop your car! Stop your car! Stop your car! Stop your car now! Shoot it! He's got a zero! He's got a zero! He's got a zero!
Once lid flies, there is no going back. The suspect just forced a lethal force transition.
Do y'all know if he shot out the windshield or anything like that? He shot my side window of my patrol car. I need to know where everybody else is if I'm gonna ram him.
What is the suspect vehicle? White SUV, what kind?
The 170 four-door sedan. Top 10 windows.
All right, I see it. He's still circling. His speeds are about 25, 30. We're gonna pit or ram it.
Executing a precision intervention technique in a cramped parking lot is a high-stakes gamble. The officer must weigh the risk of a crash against the threat of an armed suspect. It is a split-second calculation to stop the danger before it reaches the hospital doors.
I ran, but he's still mo. I'm coming back around again. Hey, whoever I just pointed down that road, he's coming up behind me now. Hey, he's coming up behind me fast. Move out of my way. I think he's trying to get me. Is it right here? Where'd he go? Pulling out the parking lot. On Main Street, try leave. Going on the road behind the hospital, looks like.
Patrol, hey, Impala, he's right behind you, Impala. He just ran another police car.
He just ran me from behind. I need to take him out.
Coming back to an ER, coming back to a PZR, stand by. Front block! Shots fired! Shots fired! I think he's down! I see his head! I think he's down! Hey! I got him over here! Bring the officers over here!
Get out of the car now! Out of the car! You got something in his hand! You got something in his hand! Get out of the car now! I've been shot! I've been shot! I've been shot! I've been shot! I've been shot in the throat!
Taking a round to the face is a nightmare that usually ends the fight. But instead of going into shock, this officer stays on the air to coordinate the rescue. This is the exact moment where professional grit overrides the human instinct to give up.
Get down. You're all right, buddy. Where?
In the throat.
Where? Need rescue. We are in the throat.
Jeffrey Allen Martin was pronounced dead at the scene. Against all odds, the officer who was shot in the face survived several surgeries and eventually returned to active duty. The true scale of the danger only became clear when investigators searched the trunk of that white sedan. They discovered an AK-47 rifle along with 3 fully loaded magazines, totaling 90 live rounds. This was not just a desperate man, it was a mobile fortress prepared for a mass casualty event. Psychologically, this is a textbook case of suicide by cop, where the suspect weaponizes the police to become the instrument of his own destruction. From a legal standpoint, every shot fired was judged under the standard of objective reasonableness established by Graham versus Connor. The law does not judge these moments with the benefit of 20/20 hindsight from a comfortable office. Instead, it asks what a reasonable officer would do in that exact split second of chaos and near-zero visibility. With a suspect firing from behind dark tints and ramming patrol cars, the use of deadly force was not just lawful, it was a mechanical necessity to prevent a massacre. If these officers had not held the line in that parking lot, the hospital could have easily become a slaughterhouse. Now, we want to hear from you. In a situation with this much chaos and limited visibility, do you think the officers could have done anything differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you value these deep dives into the raw reality of the badge, make sure to subscribe to Blue Line Raw. Every suspect is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.